Ahoy mates, my name is Joah and I'm on a mission to sail this historic schooner to the Wooden Boat Festival for her 100th birthday. In this episode, we start cleaning in preparation for haul out. It was scheduled for next month, is getting pushed back to July. That does give us some good preparation time for cleaning and sorting so that we don't waste any time when we get up on the hard. And we have a lot of really cool stuff that we're going to start showing you over the next month. One is from I believe 1916, named the Wizard of Bristol. She's been restored brand new, and I don't believe any of it's been documented. We're going to check out the Wizard. We're going to check out some more sailing aboard Criterion, and we're going to be cleaning on tradition in preparation for her upcoming haul out. Hope you enjoy this video. Maki and I grabbed the skiff where it's been stored for the last couple years. Have to cut through a couple of rusted locks. We head out to Tradition to do a little bit of a trash run and preliminary cleanup. Then we bring the skiff back home, do some bottom cleaning and get her set up. Please like and subscribe. Really appreciate all the support we can get. We've got a 5-year plan to get this boat up to Port Townsend, Washington. So enjoy the episode. Let's get clean. A lot of it's personal stuff, I think, which is I would love to get rid of these. Have you looked in these bags? It's tied on. That's traditional boat style right there. Be comfortable, sit all the way back, and then you have access to the helm. I knew there was a lot of water in there. Still got to do like this kind. Get the final. Oh. Haven't scrubbed it yet. You can't scrub it till you get the varnish off, or else you cut the shit out of your fingers. And you gotta be careful on this.
Oh, no, you don't want to.
You don't want to pop it. That's why I say you shouldn't keep inflatable in the water. It's not meant to be left in the water. That's like the whole concept of putting bottom paint on it is just kind of stupid. But you see how it has a nice hard bottom. That's why it's actually a good dinghy. A lot more detail, but I'll get it clean. You don't want bottom paint on a boat like this anyway, because it's designed to be like a gel coat bottom that's fast. You want it to get up and plane. And these are just for stability. But it rides on this part. And so you want that to be smooth.
Nice work.